Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're doing all new bathroom Dollar Tree DIYs. First, we're going to be making a toothbrush holder. I picked up this iridescent cup at Dollar Tree. Now, this iridescent look is all over high-end sites right now, so definitely one to try out. From Dollar Tree, I also picked up some stickers. Now, these stickers originally were supposed to go around a mason jar, but we're gonna do something a little bit different. These stickers were silver, but I wanted them to be gold. So I have this product called Rub and Buff. I use it quite frequently. I'll link it down in the description box for you. But I'm going to use two different shades of Rub and Buff it onto the stickers. Now, you wanna make sure you do this lightly so you don't cover the entire sticker. That way you can still see the raised texture of the sticker. And I'm just gonna go back and forth between the two gold colors. Now I'll set this aside and let it have a chance to dry. Once the stickers dried, I wanted to add them to the base of my cup. I started by doing one lap around the bottom edge, trying to keep the stickers about the same level all the way around. Now this doesn't have to be precise, just do the best you can. Then I went every other one and added in an additional sticker. Then I decided I wanted to make them a little bit longer, so I went up so there was 3 stickers in a row. Now, what's fun about this is you can do whatever pattern you want. In the end, I decided I want it to be 3 stickers to 2 stickers all the way around. I have this product called Blue Mod Podge, which is supposed to be dishwasher safe and more waterproof. So I did one coat on the entire cup. I let that completely dry, and then I can use it as a toothbrush holder in my bathroom. I can't wait to share with you the meal service that I use monthly. I've shared it several times before, and that is EveryPlate. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. EveryPlate is a fun and easy meal service. They ship all of the ingredients to you already pre-portioned. Each week you get 3 meals shipped to you, and the one that I'm going to be making today is the Southwest Beef and Cord Cavatappi, and it has these really easy to follow instructions on the back, usually under 6 steps. Heading into summer, my schedule is all over the place with kids going to camp, vacation, different things like that. So I need easy to follow meals that I don't even have to think about. EveryPlate meals are delivered right to your door, and they're about the price of a cup of coffee. They have 17 chef-designed recipes that are around $4.99 per serving, where other meal services can be all the way up to $12 per serving. Most recipes take me about 30 minutes to prepare, and I'm not buying more ingredients than I actually need because I know I'm probably not going to use beef stock in like another month if it's sitting in my fridge. I just love these one-pot meals that EveryPlate has. It really makes it easy for me to cook healthy meals for my family. That's really good. I am definitely here for these one-pot meals. I absolutely love these. They're so easy to put together. Now, if you guys want to try out EveryPlate, make sure you use my discount code so you can get even more savings. So you can get started with EveryPlate for just $1.79 per meal and an additional 20% off another 2 weeks by going to everyplate.com, and make sure you use my coupon code, which is LFDIY179. Now, if you don't remember that, don't worry, I'll put it all down in the description box for you so you can just click on the link below. One of the new items I was excited about at Dollar Tree are these ceramic containers. Now, I think Dollar Tree had an idea of making these like frames that you could use for a wedding, but I had something completely different in mind. There's 3 different shapes. There's like a rectangular one, a circular one, and then this other one that looks kind of like a butterfly. I also picked up some stickers. So I started by taking the frame pieces off the back as well as the stickers on the back. Now, I saw in my mind soap dish, trinket tray, tray, you know, all those things for these. I thought they'd be perfect for a bathroom. One of my tricks for whenever you want to put stickers on any surface, cut it out first and actually put it onto your tray. That way you can get a visual, kind of move things around until you make that commitment of actually sticking it in place. So I cut out all the stickers, and that's what I did. I just kind of moved them around until I was happy with the placement of them. Then I just stuck them onto the ceramics. Again, I'm going to be using that same Mod Podge that I used earlier. It's a blue dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I'm going to be doing a thick coat on each of the ceramic containers. Once that dries, you can add them to your bathroom. You could put a soap container on there. You could also put little decorative soaps, or maybe even leave it out for like rings or earrings. If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is DIY. Next up, let's make some wall art for our bathroom. I have this specific bath mat that anytime I'm at Dollar Tree, it makes me think of a wall art piece, and I thought this would be the perfect video to add that into. So I picked up a bath mat as well as this dish drying rack that's kind of like a clear plastic. You guys have probably seen it before. You're also going to need a couple of 11 by 14 frames. So I removed the contents of the 11 by 14 frame. So I just had the frames, and then I'm also going to use that little like piece of paper that says 11 by 14 in there to trace on a piece of poster board. I'm going to trace around it. So I have two poster boards that are size 11 by 14. I'll just cut those out. Now with my frames, I'm going to be using the same Rub and Buff colors that I was using before, and I'm just going to lightly add those to the edges. This is going to give my frames a vintage look and give them more dimension. With the bath mat, it fits completely over the 11 by 14 frame, so I don't need to do anything with that. But with the dish mat, it doesn't fit completely over my poster board, so I'm going to place it on one side, and then I'm just going to take a scrap sheet of paper and tape that down on the other side. That way when I'm spray painting, I'm not going to get any spray paint on that side. Then I'll take the 11 by 14 posters outside, and whenever you're spray painting, you want to be directly over the top of what you're spray painting. That way you can spray over the top and you're not going to get like weird angles underneath. It's not going to be a perfect spray paint, but it's going to help you to get that stencil you're looking for. And I just used a blue spray paint that I had on hand. I sprayed the bath mat onto my poster board, and then the best part was taking it off and revealing what it looked like underneath. I thought it looked awesome. I did the same with the bath mats, so I sprayed across the top, but with the bath mat, I actually had to let it dry completely. Then I took the bath mat off, and then I repositioned it to the bottom half and taped off the top half so I wasn't going to mix my spray paint. I took it back outside and spray painted the other half and then removed that. Once both of the poster boards were completely dry, I could add them into the frame. And here's a look at how this wall art looks together. Here's an inexpensive way that you can create a toilet paper holder in your bathroom as well. So you're going to need a paper towel holder and some kind of circle. I grabbed an embroidery hoop off of Amazon. I'm gonna remove the outer portion of my embroidery hoop. Then I'm gonna add E6000 to the base of it. I'll put the paper towel holder on top. I'm also going to go around the edges and make sure there's no excess glue kind of on the edges of it or on the inner portion. Once that dries, I'm going to spray paint it with 2 coats of a matte black spray paint. You can put this tucked behind your toilet area with a couple of rolls of toilet paper. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. My goal is to get to 700,000 subscribers this summer, and it would really help me out if you subscribe. Plus, you're just going to get DIY content 2 times a week in your feed. I love a tiered tray in the bathroom, so I wanted to put together one for this video. So I grabbed a cake plate, also a glass plate that I had, and then for the base to go in the middle, I just had this little plastic glass they sell in a pack of 6 at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna do my combination of E6000 and hot glue to put the base onto the middle of my cake plate. And then I'll put the glass plate on the top. Now I started by spray painting this piece gold, but I have to say I didn't really love the look of the gold. So then I thought, okay, let me add in some rub and buff, which I liked it a little bit better. It kind of gave it like that vintage look. Then I decided I wanted to place some butterflies onto the tray. I was okay with that. I added a little bit of rub and buff to the top of it, but in the end, I just was not happy with it. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna start completely over, which I never typically do, but I did in this case. And I want to tell you guys the process because I want you to know that sometimes I do DIYs and they can fail. So I started over. This time I spray painted it white because in my mind, I was picturing this tray more like the ceramic dishes that I had made. I glued my cake plate to the center portion and put a glass plate on top. You can add jewelry or makeup or whatever you want to these trays, and I think they look great in a bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really appreciate you being here, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.